Imagine you're at work and your boss walks up to you and says, "Great job on that project. Here's a little something extra." You're excited, right? But wait, what is it, a spiff or a bonus? If you're not sure, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of workplace incentives to clear up the confusion. What is a spiff? A spiff is a type of commission that's paid as a one-time bonus for achieving a specific sales goal or completing a particular task. It's often used to motivate employees to sell a specific product or service, or to encourage them to go above and beyond in their work. Think of it like a pat on the back, but with a cash reward. It's a great way to recognize and reward employees for their hard work and dedication. Examples of spiffs. Here are a few examples of spiffs. A salesperson might receive a spiff for selling a high-ticket item. A customer service representative might get a spiff for resolving a difficult customer complaint. A technician might receive a spiff for completing a complex repair. What is a bonus? A bonus is a lump sum payment that's given to an employee in addition to their regular salary. It can be based on a variety of factors, such as performance, seniority, or company profitability. Bonuses can be a great way to reward employees for their overall contributions to the company, and they can also be used to attract and retain top talent. Examples of bonuses. Here are a few examples of bonuses. A sales representative might receive a bonus for exceeding their sales quota. An employee might get a bonus for reaching a certain level of seniority. A company might offer a bonus to all employees as a reward for a successful year. Key differences between spiffs and bonuses. While both spiffs and bonuses are forms of additional compensation, there are some key differences between them. Purpose. Spiffs are typically used to motivate employees to achieve specific goals, while bonuses are more general rewards for overall performance. Frequency. Spiffs are often one-time payments, while bonuses can be recurring. Amount. Spiffs are usually smaller than bonuses. Which is better? The best incentive for your employees will depend on your company's specific goals and culture. However, both spiffs and bonuses can be effective tools for motivating and rewarding your team. If you're looking to encourage specific behaviors, a spiff might be the way to go. If you want to reward employees for their overall contributions to the company, a bonus could be a better option. So, the next time your boss offers you a little extra, you'll know whether it's a spiff or a bonus. And remember, both are great ways to recognize and reward your hard work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.